Say goodbye to dark underarms, be a summer goddess of self-confidence. 90% of women are afraid to raise their hands due to darkness, hair follicle blockage, folliculitis, and dryness. Let me introduce Shantahl Underarm and Dark Spots Whitening Cream. Underarm whitening, see whiteness in 3 days. It has tranexamic acid for bright white, a whitening ingredient to attack melanin. Cerawhite helps for whitening, patented whitening ingredient that inhibits melanin production. Glycosyl trihulose for moisturizing, sugar of life for its ability to retain moisture and enhance skin suppleness. And tocopherol acetate for elasticity. Stabilizes cell protein activity and maintains skin elasticity. It also improves big, dark pores. Improve darkness and yellowness in the grain. Improve dry knees. Improve dark and yellowish elbows. Improve underarm melanin precipitation. Proof of transformation. Step 1. Softens underarm, resolves darkness, improves complexion. As you can see the before and after result. Step 2. Improve darkness in elbows and knees. See the image of before and after. Instant absorption. Cannot be removed by water or sweat versus other brands. After spraying water on area applied with Shantahl Underarm and Dark Spots Whitening Cream. None of the cream was removed, guaranteeing long-lasting effect. Amazing, right? Look at this image, the left hand with Shantahl Underarm and Dark Spots Whitening Cream and the right hand with the other brand. See the difference? Here's the instruction for use. Good and skin-friendly, use 2 times a day during morning and evening. After cleansing, apply evenly an appropriate amount on the skin, gently massage until absorbed. Use more after hair removal. It is recommended for use every morning and evening. So, what are you waiting for? Try our Shantahl Underarm and Dark Spots Whitening Cream. Contact us to order. We offer cash on delivery. Only at Shantahlworks page. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.